how to enable game mode on your LG smart television. So by turning on game mode, it's going to optimize your television for gaming, and it's going to do things such as reduce input lag and responsiveness. So the first thing we need to do is just go and grab your TV remote, and we're going to bring up the settings window by clicking this settings icon located here. Now yours may look slightly different depending on your model of television, but essentially what we need to do is come up to the very top here next to picture, click on the select button to go and click on picture mode, and then you can use the arrow keys to rotate across the different options. Now the one that we're looking for here is game optimizer, and this is essentially game mode. Now once you've turned this on, you can click on the settings button once again. And another thing I'd recommend doing is turning on the game optimizer. Now to do this, we can open back up the settings window. We're then going to scroll down the list of options and click on game optimizer. And if you get this error message saying that this only works with HDMI outputs, then just make sure you're connected to the correct output on your television. So just go and hook up your game console or whatever you're playing with, and make sure to change the input mode on your TV to that particular HDMI port. So I'm just going to swap mine over to HDMI 2 like so. And then if I come back over to the settings and I come back down to game optimizer, just give that a few seconds while it goes and loads up on your TV. And right at the top here, we can turn on the game optimizer. Now you can play around with all of the different settings here, but I just like to leave mine as the default settings. So let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you with the next one.